Have you ever wondered why some countries have their driver's seat on the right side of the car? Buckle up as we take a drive through the intriguing history behind this peculiar driving arrangement. It all goes back to the horse-drawn carriage era. Picture the cobblestone streets of the past where knights and gentlemen rode their horses on the left side of the road. In a time when roads were often narrow and filled with potential dangers, sitting on the left allowed riders to wield their swords more efficiently against oncoming threats. Fast forward to the invention of automobiles. When cars hit the roads, many countries kept the tradition of driving on the left side for safety reasons. Having the driver on the right side provided a better line of sight, allowing them to judge the proximity of the road's edge and avoid collisions. Now enter Henry Ford and the assembly line revolution. As mass production of cars took center stage, Ford standardized left-hand driving for his Model T, making it more convenient for assembly line workers. The influence of Ford's production methods reached far and wide, and many countries adopted left-hand driving as a result. However, not all nations followed this method. Some countries, especially those that used to be British colonies, continued the tradition of driving on the left. Places like England, Japan, India, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Thailand, Ireland, Jamaica, Cyprus, and Malta are the countries driving on the left side of the road. So, the next time you find yourself in a car with the driver on the right side, remember the historical journey that led to this distinct driving arrangement. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. Kudos!